What's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a couple of awesome digital watch faces that you got to have in your lineup. Now let's start off with number one. Number one is called RJD83. This is by RJ Design, and this guy makes a nice looking digital watch face. And the always on mode for the Gear 3 and the Gear 2, they both look nice. Now when the watch face is on, you get a big bold numbers for your digital time, which I'm liking. At the top you will get your year and your date. Come all the way down, you get your step info, also miles walked around, your battery info. This meter represents your battery, this meter represents your step status completed, and it is inactive. So if I tap on this one, I can go in and get my music player, which is really nice for me, and I can also go and get my battery percentage, and up here I get my heart rate information, which I thought was pretty nice. And if I tap in the center of the watch face, of course I can get my calendar, set an event. I'm liking this watch face. It stands out, it looks good, and it's in low energy mode, which means that's going to save on your battery consumption. All right, you all, let's check out digital watch face number two. Awesome digital watch face number two. Now this one is called Daydream 12 hours. If I'm not mistaken, they do have a 24-hour watch face for you. This one is by RJD Design, and the guy got down on this one. Now I'm torn in between 1 and 2, but if I had to choose, I think I'm going to ride out with number two. Number two is Super Balls. Now, in the always on mode, it's going to look exactly the same. So let's go ahead and talk about the watch face when it's on. I like the look of the numbers that's going around the bezel of the watch, right? I like that look. I love the font. Now, if you look around the watch face, you will get the days of the week. Now, what's nice about that is that it's big and legible. Normally, you get them really small where you can't really see them, but now you got them legible, highlighted in red, just to let you know what day of the week it is. Now you will get a nice big bold digital time in the center along with your date. You get animated seconds, your step info, very beautiful. Also you get shortcuts, so you can tap on to get your music player, tap right here, you can set an alarm, phone, we're not going to tap on that, and you can also go in to your settings and tweak your watch face however you see fit, right? But that's not it. If I tap, double tap right here, I can change the color theme of the watch face, which is very nice. You got to check this out in the Gear Manager store. Trust me, you will not regret it. Let me know if you like this watch face once you download it. And with that, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again at the next video. Take care.